Mamaya, later, tsaka na. Magagawa mo pa ba ang mamaya kung huli na ang lahat? Babalikan kita mamaya. Kakausapin kita mamaya. Chat kita mamaya. Text kita mamaya. See you later. I will talk to you later. Kadalasan, nasasabi natin ang salitang yan kung merong ibang bagay na kumukuha ng ating atensyon, or para sa atin, merong ibang bagay tayo na ginagawa. Pero lagi nating tatandaan that later does not belong to us. Na baka yung mamaya ay maging huli na ang lahat. What if that later ay hindi na natin magagawa? What if later will be just a memories? What if later will just become a lesson to us? And what if that later becomes too late? We only appreciate the importance of water if the well runs dry. Ganon din sa tao. Tsaka lang natin malalaman or makikita ang halaga ng isang tao kapag wala na ito sa piling natin. On the other hand, later is a positive word kasi nga meron kang nilook forward na merong mangyayari, merong magaganap mamaya. At least later is better than goodbye. Kaya kung may gusto kang gawin ngayon, don't hesitate to do it now. Kung gusto mo siyang kausapin, kausapin mo siya ngayon. Kung may gusto kang sabihin sa kanya, sabihin mo na ngayon. Kung may gusto kang gawin ngayon, gawin mo na bago pa maging huli ang lahat. Gawin mo na ang mga bagay na gusto mong gawin as long as hindi ka manghihinayang or wala kang magiging regret sa huli. Kasi nga, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, later does not belong to us. Paano kung wala na palang mamaya? Don't let anything for later. Later, situation change. Later, people change. Mamaya, yung kape mo na mainit ngayon, mamaya, malamig na yan. And later, you will regret of not doing something. So when you have the chance to do it now, do it now. This is Wanderlust saying, whatever you do in life, make sure that it makes you happy. Good day and God bless everyone.